Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. A new feature under emails campaigns. I want to show you that you can now integrate forms into your emails. So what does it look like? And there's like different types of options, different things we can do. We can do custom forms. We can do the pre-made forms. But yeah, let's go to traffic, emails, campaigns. Let's just say we have a email we haven't sent, or we just create a new one, whatever it is. And now that we have like a blank email open, if we scroll on down over here on the left side under the elements, forms element, that's a new one. If we drag it in, you can see here, there's different types of kind of like you can do surveys. I don't know, if rate our service 1 to 10, right? That can be an automated email or just an email you send out, like dislike certain ideas, or just this is more like ratings based. And you can also do other forms, which basically you connect your existing form that you built under sites forms. So yeah, let's just do 2 kinds. And also once we do it, we'll send it out to ourselves, and then we'll see where we can see the statistics, right? Because we're actually collecting information. We're going to get their opinion, right, of our subscriber base, of our mailing list. We actually want to see the results. So yeah, first let's just click on this one. So that's one. And let's do another one. Let's go back to the elements, the plus sign, drag it in, click on this, and let's just do your other forms. Let's just do that, right? And then let's close this. And now that we have clicked on the form, we are we can edit things. So yeah, we can select an existing form, and this is basically all the forms that we have under the forms section where we usually create forms on Funneltopia. You can just select it here, right? Yeah, so let's just select whatever, right? This can be like a raffle, for example, right? You're just kind of asking people, whoever wants to participate, they can put in their contact information, right? And then, they're going to be added to the raffle. And here, yeah, this is the thumbnail. So in this case, it essentially is they click on it and then they get taken to the form. With these other ones, that the ones that are already pre-made, that's going to be a little bit different. We're going to see in a second. But over here, you can edit stuff, center it, resize it. You can add your own image. This is the default one, which looks pretty cool. But, if you have your own branding, whatever, you can just add it here. And padding, all that stuff. Take a look at this one, title for the form. I would maybe rename it something different, because in the statistics later down the line, if you have several, whatever, you want to kind of have a specific name for it just so you can recognize it. So this could be, I don't know, raffle, and then you can add a date when it got sent out, for example, right? So this is the name of it. And yeah, spacing, all that stuff, that's kind of, you can just play around with this, but this looks fine to me. As for this one, here again, colors, padding, the usual stuff, right? You can format stuff, name as well. But for this one, a big part is the success page URL. The default one is fine. But if you want it to be like your branding, customize it more, you can do custom, and then you can put in your link. We're going to do default. We're just going to, leave it as is. And yeah, let's just send out this email to ourselves and see what it looks like from the user's perspective. And then we'll check the statistics. All right, so we are sending it. I think we've sent it out. Yeah, let's go check our email. We have it in our email. This is in our inbox. This is the email. And here, as you can see, we have the 2 things. So if you click on here to fill out the form, if you click on it, it opens it up in a new tab, and we can fill out the form, right? It's just a normal form. So that's as per usual. And this one, yeah, if we have like a rating type of thing, yeah, we can just click on, I don't know, whatever, 10 out of 10, right? So this is the default thank you page that it sends you to, or the end user rather, or your subscriber, whoever received this email. But yeah, you can have your own custom thank you page as well. This one is fine. It's a thank you and that's it. But let's say if you incentivize them, you promise them something. If they do rate you, submit feedback, whatever, and then you promise them your, I don't know, whatever, a freebie, then you can change it to your own custom thank you page where it also says submission successful. And then at the bottom is like, here's your freebie as promised. So you can do a custom thank you page for that. Yeah, let's go back. And the thing I forgot to mention was, there's actually a couple things. So the first one that I forgot to mention was, let's delete this. Let's do a new form. Let's drag it in. Obviously, you can edit the text just in case, but you can edit the text here. Also for these other elements, like these ones, you can also edit the text, obviously, right? And also you can change let's close this. You can change the colors of the thumbs up and the stars as well, just so you know. This is also a customizable thing. I don't think for the 1 to 10 that was an option. Let's double check. Yeah, let's drag in a new one. I don't think, let's check. Yeah, I don't think there's any colors. Yeah, I can't change colors for these things, but for the thumbs up, for the stars, for those you can change them up. But yeah, let's go check out the statistics now. Let's go back. So for this one, we're under traffic, emails, campaigns. We check statistics, and we will find our email over here. We named it client survey email campaign. If we click on it, I think we will need to expand, load more statistics. And over here, obviously this is the regular analytics, but over here under submissions, we have the two forms, whatever you want to call them, added to the email, and then, we filled them out or clicked on something. And yeah, let's say, for example, for this one, it was 1 out of 10, so 10, and then obviously you can see kind of the average will be here. You can also export which contacts, how they rated you, and that sort of stuff. You can export a CSV file, so that's a good thing as well to go more granular as opposed to seeing the whole picture. And yeah, all that stuff is, if we close it down, that's under traffic, emails, campaigns, and then statistics. And then yeah, as you go to the email, you load more statistics and check submissions. So yeah, that's the short version. If you have any questions about this, forms and emails, anything else Funneltopia related, click on down below. Funneltopia support chat, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. If you're a VIP, you can click on schedule a VIP call if you have more than a question or two. But if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.